This video, I am going to discuss about the string data type in Dart. We can define string as combination of characters. In Dart language, if we bind any text with single quote or double quote or triple quote, we can call as string. If we create a variable of type string means I am creating an object to the string class which is existing inside the dot language. So we can access those properties and methods which are exist inside the string class by using the variable name followed by dot. Let us see some implementation part regarding all these things. Suppose where and named as username equals to Prasad. Here exactly what happened is I am defining an variable of type string here. It means I am creating an object to the string class which is existing inside the dot language and store that particular object inside the username. Now I can access properties and methods which are existing inside the string class by using dot parameter. Let us see username followed by dot. I'm able to see some properties and some methods. Let us check with there is a property known as length. Length is a property by which we can get total number of individual characters exist inside the given string. Let us try to print the value in the console. 6. Before that, try to print the username. This is the property which I use for count the total individual characters. Here one important point is like, suppose if I provide white space, that also considered as a individual character by the compiler. See here, total 8 characters. But when I try to calculate the characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Along with these characters, I provide 2 white spaces. So, total number of characters here is 8. Let us see one more property, is empty. Is empty is a property which is of type boolean. By using this property, I can check that particular given string contains any characters or not. Suppose given string contains characters. In such case, it uses false. Suppose if doesn't contains any characters, it provides true. Let us check. In this case, I have some characters inside the username. I try to apply this particular is empty property on the username string. It gives us false here. Why? Because this particular username string contains some characters. There is one more property known as is not empty. Is, see, this is the property which is quite opposite to the is empty. Suppose if I try to apply is not empty on this particular username, in this case what happens is, suppose this particular username contains any characters, in such scenario it returns true. If doesn't contains any characters, in such scenario it returns false. Because of line number 20, I am getting false, is empty. Property is false here. Because of line number 21, I am getting true here. It is because of is not empty property. Like this, we have many properties in the string class. Let us observe few methods which are existing inside the string class. To uppercase. To uppercase is a method which is exist inside the string class, because of which each and every individual character convert into capital form. Let us check. Are you able to see here? I think. Now, one more property is like trim. Trim is a method by which we can remove white spaces at the starting, end, and ending of the given text, given string. See, I am providing some white space before the P here at the starting, after the end here. Now here what I, because of the starting white spaces, it is goes forward. See, in the line number 26, what I am do here is like try to remove the white spaces. Because of that reason, this is move somewhat forward. Because of removing the white space by using trim method, it is move somewhat backward. These are the basic methods which are exist inside the string class. In next video, we are going to discuss about string concatenation and string interpolation.